Hello and welcome to the Asset Insider channel. I hope you guys are having a great day. We have a lot of news as far as new exchanges being opened up, new crypto exchanges being opened up by different stock exchanges around the globe. Starting off, launch a crypto exchange in 30 days. German firm offers white label products for startups. So this is a German cryptocurrency exchange that will be opened up soon. Going on into this article, and remember, if you do like my content, please like and subscribe to my channel. I highly appreciate it. Anyway, a company says it is combining the power of IT and marketing to deliver high security, functional, and profitable pieces of software that not only work flawlessly but also sell. CPI emphasizes its software is scalable and geared towards the finance and blockchain industries. The firm offers white label products that allow businesses to achieve their financial goals by converting casual visitors into paying customers. Along its suite of products is a crypto exchange that is available on the web and through mobile apps. The platform delivers high frequency trading for virtual currencies and fiat, along with assets such as real estate that has been tokenized on the blockchain. I've seen a lot of articles that where real estate's really starting to become a tokenized asset, and that's just awesome because it's for people that don't have too much money. It's very hard to get into real estate when you gotta put 20% down on a $300,000 house or something like that. But if you're able to buy a 5% or even a 1% stake in that asset and are able to receive whatever dividend of profits that you're getting from your small, however many tokenized pieces of that asset you own, it makes things just a lot easier for your average everyday person that's not a huge investor or has a lot of money. Anyway, continuing on. According to CPI, it can help fledgling crypto businesses to get their own exchange up and running in less than 30 days, complete with promotions and access to a plethora of channels to help generate traffic and revenue. The German company describes this platform as its masterpiece because it supports a range of major crypto and fiat currencies. It can handle up to 10,000 orders per second per market, and also comes complete with social trading, which means an exchange's users can follow successful traders and emulate their strategies. CPI has also become a payment service provider, enabling merchants to easily complete transactions in fiat and cryptocurrencies, both online and offline. This software can be easily integrated into any company's existing infrastructure and is offered as a white label product, meaning it can be adapted to incorporate their branding. Additionally, the firm helps startups secure the financing they need to get off the ground. It offers an intuitive dashboard for initial coin offerings and security token offerings, enabling them to collect the money pledged to them by contributors. According to CPI, this service helped new businesses collect more than $250 million in 2018 alone. That is quite impressive. There is a quote here said from the founder of CPI Technologies. His name is Marvin Steinberg. Since its inception, CPI Technologies has delivered successful projects one after the other. The company has more than 43 completed projects and has processed more than 32,000 BTC, helped increase visitors by 420% and sales by 182%. So the founder of CPI says they are very successful. It looks like they're doing very well for themselves. Okay, continuing on. CPI says that all of its products are 100% made in Germany and undergo exhaustive testing to ensure that they are easy for users to interact with. The company takes pride in helping finance and blockchain businesses cut costs when developing new products and without compromising on quality. According to CPI, all of its software works quickly and can withstand high levels of traffic, meaning it runs effectively for 10 users as it would be as effective for 10 million. And For companies eyeing international expansion, CPI also claims that it can produce marketing materials and translations needed to break into non-English speaking markets. Alright, so I'm just gonna jump off of this one. This is pretty much everything you need to hear, but all this stuff is very interesting. It's just further adoption happening, and I mean, as things are getting tokenized and security tokens are being made, and you just have traditional assets that will be made into a tokenized state, it's just all awesome stuff for blockchain and cryptocurrency. And it's really just allowing you to see how cryptocurrency and blockchain in particular is slowly taking over the world, whether the banks want it to or not. Continuing on to the next article, Thailand Stock Exchange plans to roll out digital asset platform in 2020. So we're looking at Thailand Stock Exchange platform, digital asset platform in next year, which is pretty cool. All right, the article goes on to state, the Stock Exchange of Thailand plans to roll out its digital asset platform in 2020, according to an official statement released on March 13th. Following recent reports reportedly revealing the plans, the SET has confirmed that it will build a digital asset platform as part of its 3-year strategic plan from 2019 to 2021. In the announcement, the Thai exchange claimed that the local capital market will experience a transformation into the digital age in 2 areas. The first field will be a complete digitization of the capital market infrastructure in order to provide paperless operations. The second direction will be building a new ecosystem that will support digital assets in order to create new opportunities and transform the investment landscape. The SET president Popcorn, I am not even going to try and pronounce his last name. I will absolutely butcher that. Okay, the president of the SET, which is the Stock Exchange of Thailand, stated that the exchange is ready to start creating a new digital asset ecosystem, adding that such an initiative will be a turning point that will take the Thai capital market to the next level. The SET plans to launch a regulated digital asset exchange. Were first reported in January, with the SCT's board governor's vice chair, Patera, I'm not going to say his last name either, revealing that the National Stock Exchange plans to apply for a digital asset operating license from the company's Ministry of Finance in 2019. According to the SCT's plans, the exchange's member securities firms will be able to apply to become brokers and dealers for trading the new digital asset exchange. Recently, the Thai Securities and Exchange Commissions reportedly authorized the first initial coin offering ICO focus portal that allows for the screening of ICOs as well as performing due diligence, confirming smart contract source codes, and conducting know your customer procedures. So they have already released regulation for ICOs and KYCs. Continuing on, in February, Switzerland's principal stock exchange, SIX Swiss Exchange, announced that it will test blockchain integration for its upcoming parallel digital trading platform SDX in the second half of this year. Recently, crypto outlet The Block reported that SIX will launch another crypto exchange traded product for Ripple XRP token as well. I covered that in one of my last videos. You guys can get an in-depth coverage of that if you watch the video that I released yesterday, or actually this morning. Sorry about that. Alright, continuing on. I'm going to breeze by this article because I don't find it too important, but still important enough to cover. The CBOE puts brakes on Bitcoin futures listing. CBOE Futures Exchange is putting its Bitcoin futures market on hold. The unit of the CBOE Global Markets said Thursday that it would not add a new Bitcoin futures market for March, citing a need to review how it approaches the space. CFE is not adding, this is a quote, CFE is not adding a CBOE Bitcoin XBT USD futures contract for trading in March of 2019, the futures exchange said in a notice to traders Thursday afternoon, adding CFE is assessing its approach with respect to how it plans to continue offer digital asset derivatives for trading. While it considers its next steps, CFE does not intend to list additional XBT future contracts for trading. However, CBOE said currently listed Bitcoin's futures contracts will remain available for trading. That means the last contracts listed, XBT M19, will expire in June. Alright. CBOE, along with rival Chicago Futures Exchange CME Group, made a big splash in 2017 when they each released or introduced their Bitcoin futures contracts, but by many accounts, CBOE's volume has been disappointing. There's a quote here from Alex Kruger that says, "Seems the CBOE will stop offering Bitcoin futures next June. Quite unfortunate." Followed by another tweet from John Tordoro saying, "That's because CBOE Bitcoin futures trading volumes has been getting crushed by CME." So apparently their rival from Chicago is outdoing them greatly by volume. If you look at this chart here, you can see how the volume for the CBOE's futures trading contracts has been getting just crushed by the volume that has been coming in from the CME futures trading product. All right, the Chicago Exchange's futures are cash settled, meaning at the end of the contract, one party pays the other the difference between spot and futures prices of Bitcoin in US dollars. By contrast, the up-and-coming competitors Bakkt and ErisX plan to offer physically settled futures contracts in which you will receive real Bitcoin delivered to the buyer. Alright, so I personally wasn't a huge fan of these Bitcoin futures just because I would much rather prefer physically backed futures contracts like what Bakkt and ErisX are planning to do. I can't wait for them to actually release those contracts. That would be a very interesting thing. It'll add a lot more volume and liquidity to Bitcoin, which in terms will add more liquidity and volume to the cryptocurrency market as a whole, because as we all know, everything still currently follows Bitcoin. So, if Bitcoin can do good and get that extra volume going and gets a spike in price, then we will see a spike in almost everything, which would be a nice thing to see after this prolonged bear market. Alright, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you guys are having a great day. Please like and subscribe if you like my content. See ya.